Hi, day 2. Do a 5-minute or more meditation. Doing a meditation actually calms your thoughts. Being with your own thoughts and your own mind for 5 minutes or more can seem daunting, but it actually helps to strengthen mental health. The brain is a muscle, and like all other muscles, it's about practice and doing it regularly to get better. Like being in the gym, you exercise your meditation muscle. When I started, I think it's about 3 years ago, I never thought before that I was ever going to start meditating. But I did, and it's just become better and better. You can find everywhere on YouTube, and I would actually recommend YouTube meditation guidance and 5 minutes. You can start with 5 minutes. I would recommend that you go up to about 15 to 20 minutes a day and do it early in the morning before you actually get out of bed or right after just awakening, because this is where your vibration is highest. So do a meditation every day if you can and want. Of course, this is only an idea, but I would recommend maybe just for the next 29 days, try every day a 5-minute meditation, or if you can, 15 to 20 minutes a day, and see the change. Everyone that I know who have tried meditation has told me and feel a change within the first 14 weeks, sometimes within the first couple of days. It strengthens the mental health. So for today, meditation. Take care, stay safe.